Hello students, we are going to discuss about our body. Human body is just like a wonderful machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste, feel. Also it can grow, move, breathe and reproduce. So all about that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Basically it is about human body, parts of body, function of parts of body, sense organ, and what should we do to take care of our body. So our first topic is body parts. The human body has many parts that perform many different jobs. Here we can see a picture. So let's recall our body part. From the top, hair, eye, nose, shoulder, elbow, arm, finger, leg, foot, ankle, knee, hand, stomach, mouth, tooth, ear, forehead. So these are our body parts. Now we will discuss the function of our body parts in some detailed manner. The first one is the head. It is the uppermost part of our body that has brain. Brain controls all part of our body. That's why it is called master organ of our body. Next one is mouth. It helps us to eat food, to drink water, to speak, to sing, etc. Also, it has teeth inside there is teeth inside the mouth that help us to chew food what we eat. Neck. This is the most important part of our body that joins our head to body. It helps us to move our head in different directions. Chest. It made up many hard bones which forms a case that is called rib cage. It protects our heart and lungs. These two organs are very important for our body. Lungs help us to breathe and heart that pumps blood to all parts of our body.